Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to calculate the range in Microsoft Excel with 3 easy steps. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is get a set of data that we want to get the range of. Apparently, we have the electricity bill running from January to December. If ever we want to get the range of this data, all we have to do is the following. First, let's get the minimum value out of the list. Instead of manually finding the lowest value, all you have to do is use this command. Press equals and type min. Min function allows us to get the lowest value out of an array or list or set of data. Once we type the function, let's select all of the numbers in our list, close the function up, and press enter. As you can see, we got a value of 163 since it's the lowest among the list. Same can be done with the max. Let's type $max, use the open parentheses, and select all of the data within our Excel. Close down the function and press enter. As you can see, we got the value of 195 from December within the list, which is obviously the biggest one right here. Now, to easily get the range, all we have to do is get the difference between the maximum and the minimum. Let's go ahead and press the equal sign, select the maximum value, and subtract the minimum value. As you can see, we have a range of $32 from the minimum value up to the maximum. And that is how we get the range in Microsoft Excel with 3 easy steps.